guys, we are learning about common nouns, singular and plural today. Some funky spellings. Okay, this is on page 47 in your English books or where you'll find it electronically in your Google Classroom with the link that you got to click on. Okay, so it's right here for us. A singular noun names one person, place, or thing. A plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. For most nouns, we just add s to form the plural of most nouns. Okay, so we got astronaut, we just add an s for astronauts. Plane, we add an s, planes. For plural of planes, I see one plane or two planes, we add the s. Star, one star or two stars. Okay, that's easy. Okay, then we have add es to form the plural nouns ending in s, sh, ch, ss, x, or z. Okay, so those are some fun little endings that we have to words here. So we have one that ends in s. Okay, there's the s, gas, and we add es, gases. Okay, there's different gases in the atmosphere. Okay, bushes. Okay, so that ends in sh, bush. Okay, so we add it es, bushes. Okay, we wouldn't say bush s because that just doesn't look right. It's not how you spell it. Okay, then we have if a word ends in ch, like watch. Okay, we add es. Okay, ch. If a word ends in ss, okay, then we add es also. Okay, so classes. Okay, we have 3 classes. Okay. Fox, that ends in X, so we add ES, foxes, okay? So and then Z, buzz, okay, ends in Z, so we add ES, buzzes, okay? That was pretty easy, okay? Now this is the next one, okay? On this one, I had a student one year made up this fun little saying. The foxes, listen to this, the foxes, okay, so ending with X, ate fishes. Okay, the foxes ate fishes. Okay, so we got the X and the SH. Okay. In churches, okay, uses the CH, church. Okay. While the whizzes, okay, ends in Z, whizzes. While the whizzes, like a smart whiz. Okay, while the whizzes sat on the grasses, okay, word that grass ends in SS, grasses, sat on the grasses, and made gases, words that end in S, they use that word, gases and fizzes. Okay, and so then they just added a double Z. Okay, so I'll say that fast. The foxes ate fishes in churches, while the whizzes sat on the grasses and made gases and fizzes. If you can memorize that dorky little poem, okay, then you might be able to remember how to spell the plural of all those. Okay, if you were here, we would say that like 5 times and have fun with it. Okay, and laugh, but you're not, so you guys can have fun with that at home, okay? The next one, okay, ending, add s to form plural nouns ending with a vowel plus a y, and then this one, change the y to an I and add es to form the plural of nouns ending with a consonant and a y. So you see vowel y, consonant y, okay? So I like to teach this by saying, see ya, wouldn't want to be ya, okay? So what in the world does that mean, okay? So if a word ends in a consonant and then a Y, okay? So this is like candy, okay? So I'm going to write down candy right here. Okay? I'm going to get that all where it's in the same. Okay? That N word, so we check the letter before it, okay? So that is a consonant, not a vowel, so it's a C, okay? So if I had key, okay, K-E-Y, check the letter before it, that's a vowel, not a consonant, okay? So when it's a see ya, like saying bye-bye, right, even though it wouldn't be see, it'd be like text lingo, okay? So you guys are going to figure that out soon enough, okay? So see ya, wouldn't want to be ya, you wave the Y and say bye-bye, and then you add I, okay, you change the I, okay, you change the Y to an I. So you drop the Y and add I, and then you can add your suffix, okay? Like yes, I have more than one candy, candies, okay? But here it's a vowel, vowel Y, he gets to stay there. You don't have to say see ya, okay? So you just add a S, okay? So for all these, okay, you got monkey, okay, the root word is monkey, okay, so you got monkey, okay, that ends the letter before, you check the letter before the Y, that's a vowel, so you add, that's not a sia, so it just stays the same. You keep your S, okay, and so then we try another one like bakery, okay, bakery, okay, there's bakery, okay, so we've got bakery, what's that word end in? An R-Y, okay, so that's a consonant, then a Y. Remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, okay? So consonant Y, we say see-ya, Y, and see-ya, okay, what does Y say? Ya, ya, yellow, right? You learned that when you were little, so see-ya, that's why it's the Y, I think it's funny, okay? And then you drop the Y, add I-E-S, okay? Bakeries, okay? That's how you spell bakeries. Okay, the last one here, baby. Okay, there's baby. Okay, and it's a letter before it is a B. Is that a consonant or a vowel? Yep, that's consonant. So it's see ya, Mr. Y. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Drop the Y, add I, and then add your suffix. Okay, you could even add ed. Okay, he was babied. Okay, but we're working with plurals and singulars. Okay, so we're adding more than one baby. Is babies. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay, so now we'll do some lesson practice, guided practice here together. Okay, just so you see it. Write S if the underlying noun is singular. Write P if the underlying noun is plural. The National Air and Space Museum is in Washington, D.C. Is it referring to one museum or more than one? It's just one. It's the National, and there it is. Okay, and so that's singular. Okay. Now, number two, the collection, okay, I'm going to get over here, okay, the collection of aircraft and spacecraft at the museum is huge, okay? So, is it more than one collection? No, it's not. Even though there's a whole bunch in the collection, it's one collection, so it's singular, okay? Next one says, visitors may touch some of the exhibits, okay? So is visitors referring to more than one or one? More than one, so it's plural. The museum frequently adds new exhibits. Okay, is that more than one exhibit? Exhibits, those are like, you go to each little station where you're learning about things, those are called exhibits in a museum. Okay, so that's more than one, exhibits, that's plural. Okay, and so that's what we do there. Okay, I'll scroll this up. Okay, erase those. Okay, and now it says write the plural form of each singular noun. So we change glass, one glass, to glasses. And you're going to have to do this on your Google form in a little while. You might want to keep these rules and remember this, okay? So glass, okay, that's one of those ends in SS, so we add ES. Glass, there's my SS, it ends in, so we add ES. Church, it ends in CH. So what do we do with that one? We added ES. Churches, okay, and that's what you say, churches. You wouldn't say church, okay, churches, is. You hear it, you almost hear the, well, you do hear the ES, okay? You don't hear but churches, okay? Next one, house, okay? House, okay? Now that one is just one of those just plain simple ones. You just add an S. Two houses, okay? You don't add an ES and have houses, okay? That wouldn't be good, okay? It's just one house, address, okay? Here's a word that ends in Y, okay? So you check the letter before it. It's an O. Hopefully you can see that. What is an O? It's a vowel. So, okay, so toy, okay, that's a vowel, Y, okay? Do we say see? No, we don't. So we just add a S, toys, okay? And we got puppy, another word that ends in Y, okay? So we got, I'm going to write that word, puppy, okay? And now we check the letter before it. That's a consonant, so we say, see Mr. Y, and we drop the Y and add I-E-S. Box, okay? Oh, that's one of those cool ones in that little saying. The foxes ate fishes and churches while the whizzes sat on the grasses and made gases and fizzes, okay? So you got box, okay? That ends in X, so you add ES, okay? Wish. There's another SH. Ends in SH, we add ES. Okay? Brush. Oh, another SH. Rocking the SH's. Brush. Add ES. And then party. Ooh, what's that in it? A Y. Okay? So let me write it out so it's bigger here. Party. We check the letter before. It's a T. Okay, so we add, that's a consonant, so we say, see ya, wouldn't want to be ya, Mr. Y. And we drop the Y and add I-E-S. Okay? And get rid of that there. Okay, get rid of that there. Okay, donkey. E-oh, e-oh. Ooh, yeah, you're going to rewind that a few times, aren't you? See if you can make that noise. E-oh, e-oh. Oh, need a drink of water. Okay, donkey. So that's a word that ends in Y. Okay, so we check the letter before it. You guys know that. That's a vowel. Do we say C? You know, we don't say C, so that just stays right there. Okay? So that's your new concept on how to do all these funny different spellings with singular and plural nouns. I hope you enjoy your lesson.